Is your fence facing this same problem? Loose fencing. Livestock may escape. Repeated repairs are time-consuming and labor-intensive. Don't worry, Lydite has a groundbreaking solution for you. The fence fastener. Its ingenious design utilizes the principles of physics to easily connect and tighten loose fence wires, instantly restoring them to their perfect straightened state. Aluminum steel wire tensioner. Durable and long-lasting, corrosion-resistant, weatherproof. High-impact and UV-resistant plastic tensioner, designed specifically for polyethylene fencing wires. Say goodbye to tedious repairs. Lydite fasteners are easy to use, allowing one person to easily complete the tightening task. Lydite fasteners make fence maintenance simple, efficient, and long-lasting.